Hello students, today we will discuss how to fill the feedback for virtual lab. So if you have already visited the virtual lab, then you can fill the feedback. Okay, so for that you have to go to the portal blab.iitb.ac.in/outreach portal. Okay, so inside the portal you have to just go to the feedback forms. So inside the feedback forms there are the two types of the feedbacks, in-house and outreach. So in-house feedback we have to fill, so click on the in-house feedback. So there are the two steps to fill the feedback. So if you are first time filling the feedback, then you have to register yourself as a student, else you can log in with your username and password. So let's register. So here you have to select the nodal center. So our nodal center is 193. Yes, Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Kolhapur, Pune. So our nodal center name is 193 and I want to register as a student. Then select the course. Here you can select the course as BE or BTech. So I just prefer BTech. Then select the discipline. So here you can select the computer engineering. Then semester. So for which semester? So I have just selected, for example, semester 5th. Then you can put your roll number, whichever allocated to you. Then for example, I just put my name, first name, then last name. Then I can put my birth date. So this birth date, what is the basic purpose of this birth date? Whenever you forgot your username and password, at that time it just asks for the birth date. So at that time you have to give the birth date. Then you have to mention the email ID. Then you have to give the phone number. Then create the password. So it may be a combination of the particular passwords, that is small case, uppercase, digits and so on. Then you have to give the verification validation code. And just click on the register now. Yes, so you have to do this particular process only once. So once you register successfully, you have to just log in with whatever your email ID and password you have set. Okay, so just click on the login and just I have given the mail ID and whatever the password I have set, and just click to the now. So this is the particular virtual lab feedback form. So our nodal center appears automatically because we have already selected it. So 193 is the number of our nodal center. So here you can fill the information related to your current semester. So I have selected 5th semester. Then select workshop user. Then also discipline. So here it appears the icon that is computer science and engineering. So I just give to computer science and engineering. Then suppose if you have visited the data structure lab, for example, I just type data structure V lab. Okay, so this is the data structure lab. So suppose I want to visit the bubble sort. So I have already visited the bubble sort and just perform the operations. Then just give the lab name, that is data structure. Then experiment name. So I have performed just bubble sort. So I have given this particular names. So if you are browse many more labs, many more experiments, then again you can select this, again same data structure, and one more experiment from this, for example merge sort. Yes. So if you visited the merge sort, then you can also visit the merge sort, and after that you have to just give the question array. Okay, so here the degree to which the actual lab environment is simulated. So here you can give excellent, very good, fair, poor, so whichever you want. Manuals were found helpful. So whatever the manuals which are given to the virtual lab, whether it is very helpful or not. Then result of the experiment was easily interpretable or tough, and so on. The next one, did you get the feeling of actual lab while performing the experiment? So if you feel, then say yes or no. Do you think performing experiment through virtual lab is more challenging than real lab experiments? Yes or no, it's your choice. Again, do you think performing experiment through virtual lab gives scope for more innovation and creative research work? I say yes. Did you go through the manual step-by-step method before performing live experiment? Yes. Do you find theory part useful? Obviously yes. How helpful is system? So very helpful. So you can put your feeling, then specify the problem or difficulty faced while performing the experiment. So if you have any queries or if you have any readings or calculations which are mismatched, then you can just mention here. I have not found anything, so I just mentioned the nil. Indicate aspects you found interesting about the labs. So I just say representation. So you can just having the queries related to each and every aspect, and just after this you can just click on the submit. So this is the very simple procedure to submit the feedback. So this is the first time, that's why we have just register first and then login. So if you are not fill the feedback first time, then you simply just register yourself with your email ID and password and just log in and just fill the feedback. So this is the very simple process to fill the feedback for the virtual lab.